My name is Phil Eggleston. We're out here at my place today, Miles Mountain MX in Elkland, PA. Pretty nice turnout today. The weather was a little bit on the chilly side. We were hoping for 60 and never really got there. But I had over 300 riders today. Real good turnout in the expert class, 15, 16 guys in that. I saw a lot of great racing in those classes. The weather, you know, did play a little bit of a factor. It was windy all day long, pretty chilly. So it was some hardcore riders out here today putting in the laps. You can follow us on Facebook, it's Miles Mountain Motocross, and on our website it's milesmtnmx.com.
What are your expectations for the day?
Not a whole lot.